Hey everyone, this is Joel Carriker, Trinity Roofing and Construction. We often get calls from homeowners, realtors. They have folks that's going to be selling their house, they're moving to downsizing or upsizing, and at the very end, they have a home inspection. They just didn't quite realize the current condition of their roof. It's being aged or a lot of hail damage. I'm at a home here that I was called in. They just knew that, okay, they're going to end up having to pay out of pocket for a roof. I did an assessment, and there's a process that we can go through with the insurance companies. Not that they are responsible for wear and tear, granular loss, but they are responsible for if we have hail or wind damage. Just had the adjuster come out, and this roof, and it's a large roof, and we were successful in getting it approved. Now, let me ask you, would you be more excited on the fact that you only have your deductible, a small portion to pay in regards to having to replace the roof, or having to replace the whole roof out of pocket? They're ecstatic on the fact of what we're able to accomplish, and we're going to get this expedited to get them all squared away and off their list, and so they can move on to the next chapter of their life. But again, if you need help and you're just wondering maybe what's the condition of my roof, making sure everything's okay, dried in, give me a shout. Again, it's Joel Carriker, 214-535-0888. Of course, we're with Trinity Roofing and Construction, and we always have you covered. Take care.